Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how to prepare Kadha. The reason for me making this video is even I'm suffering with cold and cough. So I'm gonna try Kadha. So I'm gonna prepare Kadha for the first time. So I will share my experience in this video. So how it tastes like and what is the process to prepare Kadha. So Kadha, when you drink Kadha, it will give you some relax. Like you will feel little relaxed and it will control the cold and cough. So let's go into the kitchen and prepare some Kadha. So ingredients required to prepare Kadha are tulsi leaves, grated ginger, cinnamon powder and black pepper powder. So you need to boil all these spices and herbs with 2 cups of water. So let's go into the kitchen and prepare Kadha. So I'm in the kitchen now, so I'm gonna take 2 cups of water. So this goes the first cup and the second cup of water. So all let's add all spices and herbs into the water. Spices and herbs to the water. Let's start with tulsi leaves. So I'm gonna add some tulsi leaves here. Next, grated ginger. Grated ginger. Here goes grated ginger. And some cinnamon powder. So in terms of quantity, I'm taking 1 spoon of cinnamon powder and 1 spoon of black pepper powder and a spoon of grated ginger, some mint leaves. So I've added everything here in the water. So let's wait for the Kadha to be prepared. So it needs to be boiled in high flame. To prepare Kadha, you need tulsi leaves, grated ginger, cinnamon powder, black pepper powder and 2 cups of water. It's a simple process. I'm just waiting for the Kadha to be prepared. So once it is ready, I will drink it and I'll share my experience. So now you can see all the spices are boiling. You can see the Kadha is getting ready now. So after 2 minutes, we can strain the Kadha and drink it. You can see the Kadha is ready now. It smells really strong. Let's take a couple of sips. I'll share my experience on how is the Kadha. So I'm taking my first sip now. It's so hot. It tastes really good. I can feel the spices. So this was all about Kadha. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. I'll also come up with some good video. So I was not feeling well due to cold and cough. So I'm drinking the homemade Kadha. So you can also try this. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.